Okay, so here's the deal. This is my 2019 Husky 701 Supermoto. Love this bike, and anyone who owns one will tell you the same thing. But here's my problem. My brakes pulse in the front, and I've seen other people post about it. But if you look real closely right here to these rivets or whatever they are that hold the disc on, I upgraded to a Brembo. It's basically the same design and everything, except for you'll notice that the rivets, I call them rivets, whatever they are, don't have that cheap clip on them. These babies are solid. So I tried everything. I've done the bleed the brakes, shut off the the ABS. I've done all that. I've changed pads. I've done everything, and the front end just pulses when you come into a turn or come to a hard stop. It's just not comfortable. It's not the way it should be. And I can hear, you can hear it rubbing more so at one spot than another. So I bought a new rotor, got it online, waited 6 weeks for it because it came from Italy. But we're gonna see what happens with it. So I'm gonna change that out.